Hey, good day team, it's Nate here. Right now we're going to run you through the calibration process and the setup of the evoARC encoder when attached to a FlexoForm. Keep in mind the cal process is the exact same for any scanner that you use. If you're using it in a single axis, you'll just be changing that, hey, I'm encoding in one direction, not two axes. So we'll get into it. I'm using the M2M Eddyfi Gekko because I have no allegiance to no one. So let's set this up. Once again, our setups will be on our website for you to download and at least have the coders and the inputs correctly input. And then it's going to be up to you to add your probe, calibrate, and do everything as per your company procedure or the code that you're testing to. So with this, I'm just going to go edit encoders. I'm going to ensure that I have two axes selected. I'm going to designate which coder is which, or which input is which for which axis I want to go. Once again, we ensure that both of these modes are quadrature for all sets. Every set, your ARC will always be a quad type encoder. From that, I'm going to calibrate and I'm going to start the calibration process. So what I like to do is I get to my ARC at top dead center with my lights. So you'll see that the lights walk in, and once I only see that center light, I know that that ARC is sitting at 12 o'clock or TDC. I've pre-measured my pipe circumference. It is 695 millimeters. So let me make sure I'm on the correct coder. That is correct. I will then adjust the length or distance I want to go, 695. From there, I will hit play, and all we're gonna do is spin it around full circumference until my top dead center light is lit back up. And you'll notice as I go around, you should see 3 or 9 o'clock depending on flow direction. Coming around the top. Gonna make sure that prime. Yep. Stop. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a confidence check. I'm going to reset my encoders, and then I'm going to go back the direction that I calibrated to ensure that the resolution or the steps per millimeter were calibrated correctly. $695 mil. That is in. That is within the tolerances of my procedure, so I will accept that, and I will go and scan the wheel encoder or the index axis as per my procedure, as you would any Omni wheel encoding type. So that's the calibration. I've already done this before, so we can get set up for a typical scanning pattern and see if we can't pull some good data on this heavily test restricted pipe.